In this video, I'm going to show you how to make raspberry gin. I grow the raspberries on my allotment and they've actually been sitting in my freezer for a few months. So I thought it'd be really nice to show everybody something that we do with our raspberries, which is a really great gift, and it makes gin into something really special. So if you could like and comment and share, that would be really awesome to share this with other people to help them too. So I've already started mine, and as you can see, I'm doing quite a large quantity, but the quantities I give you will be for a smaller amount. So what you need is, I've got 250 grams of sugar, a litre of gin, and 500 grams of raspberries. Now you could use blackberries or blackcurrants, it's your choice. So if you've frozen your fruit, you must let your fruit defrost before you start putting liquid on it, otherwise the glass could crack, and we don't want to waste any gin, do we? So you've got the berries in there. I'm going to pour the sugar in. I've already weighed mine out. So like I said, 500 grams of fruit, 250 grams of sugar to 1 litre of gin. It's really, really easy. Now, if you've got a jar that seals really, really well, you can just put the lid on and shake it to combine the ingredients. Unfortunately, my lid isn't brilliant, so I'm going to have to stir mine every couple of days until it's all the sugar has dissolved. Now, I normally leave it about 3 months before I start drinking it. I mean, the choice is really yours, how strong you want it to be. There's no really hard and fast rules. You could probably start drinking it after about a month, to be honest, and you could leave it in there up to a year. It all depends how impatient I am to get at the gin. So there we go. I do hope that's inspired you to make some flavoured gin all ready for the summer. So if you could like my channel and share it with anyone you think it could help, that would be fantastic.